Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a zoom background in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we need to go ahead and log into our account. So in the upper right corner is going to be the sign in button that you can use for logging into your account or create a new one if you do not already have one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can see all the options that you can access. You can see all your projects right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started making a background, a virtual background for our Zoom account. So basically guys, as you can see in the main page right here we have the option to search what we are going to design. We can either go ahead and create a new design by clicking the create design option, and then we can go ahead and get started creating a whiteboard, a poster that we can use for our background or something similar. But guys, an easier option that we can do is use the search button right here. So as you can see, I have the search option right here, and what we can do is go ahead and search for Zoom virtual background. So as you can see, when you type in Zoom virtual, you're going to go ahead and see a couple of options that already appear, like business, birthday, minimalist. You can enter in what you're looking for. Let's say we're looking for a business one, and after clicking business guys, this is now going to give us all the templates that exist for a Zoom virtual background. So as you can see, we have the gray, the navy, and so on. You can even go ahead and open up one of those, and you can go ahead and download them and then edit them, and you can even add your own new pictures or backgrounds to the backgrounds that already exist, so you can manage them the way you want them to look. But yeah guys, basically that is how you get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.